seafood, and how do you feel about fish?
Well, can you get fish with no mercury? Very difficult.
What's mercury?
Mercury is a heavy metal, and mercury is a waste product from much industry, and that's how come.
Is that
they
true?
get
Is that
it.
a fear mongle?
No, it's not.
Oh, it's true.
It's not. It's like the Minamata Bay. Minamata Bay in about the 1970s, they noticed that in Japan, the cats were backflipping and then dying. They called it dancing cat disease. So they did post-mortem on the cat and found out that mercury had eaten out their brain cells and their nervous system. And there was an aluminium big factory, and it was pumping out into Minamata Bay mercury waste. And the fish, of course, were taking up. Well, what happens is mercury is a heavy metal. It sinks to the bottom of the seaweed, the crustaceans, little fish, bigger fish eat the little fish, big fish eat the big fish, etc., etc.
Right.
And one of the problems with mercury, apart from the fact that it's a neurotoxin, is that it's bioaccumulative. And what that means is it accumulates. So the bigger the fish, the higher the accumulation of mercury. And if someone's got silver fillings in their mouth, the mercury is going into their tissues, and the longer it's there, then you get neurological problems like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, Huntington's chorea, dementia. They're all diseases of a deterioration of the nerve cell, and that's what mercury is. It's a neurotoxin, meaning brain cell poison.
Alzheimer's, isn't that they're saying that the study is showing that it's a different form of diabetes.
Yeah, they call it diabetes type 3 because with diabetes you get a blood sugar level rise and a blood sugar level drop. And when the blood sugar level drops, brain stops working because we've only got a 2-minute supply of glucose in the brain. So that's why they're calling it diabetes type 3. But there are many different causes to Alzheimer's. And about 150 years ago, it was almost unheard of.
And now it's just rapidly.
It's rampant. In fact, in Australia, 1,700 cases being diagnosed weekly.
Weekly, well.
So how do I navigate through this? Because I feel like it's bad now, but our generation, when we're older, I feel like it's just like everybody's going to get hit with it.
Well, you got to get away from the mercury.
That's her. I only eat red meat. I love red meat. How do you feel about red meat?
It's only been a year.
How do you feel about...